Just reset your Microsoft account password, but now you still can't sign in? You are not alone, and the issue is usually easier to fix than you think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you the step-by-step solutions to get back into your account without the frustration. Let's get started. Method 1. Try signing in from a trusted device. When you are unable to sign into your Microsoft account after resetting the password, you can use a computer or phone you have successfully signed into before, ideally on your home network. You can also try disabling VPNs or proxies that may look suspicious. Ensure your device's date and time are set to automatic. Method 2. Try alternative sign-in options. On the sign-in screen, click Sign-in options or use another verification method. Request a one-time security code via your recovery email or phone. Enter the code to bypass the blocked password channel. Once inside, review your security settings to confirm recovery methods are up to date. You can also visit the site and try signing in another way. Method 3. Clear cached credentials on Windows 11. The next thing you can do is clear cached credentials on your Windows PC. Here is how to do so. Open Credential Manager using the search menu. Go to Windows Credentials. Find entries for Microsoft account and related Outlook and OneDrive tokens. Then right-click on the Select and select the Remove option. Restart your PC and try signing in again. Method 4. Remove and re-add your Microsoft account in Windows. The next thing you can do is switch to a local account if you want to replace the current primary account. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I key combination. Select Accounts, then Your Info. Click Sign in with a local account instead. Then follow the prompts entering your PIN and new local account details like username, password, etc. Then choose to sign out and finish. Then sign back in with your new local account. This refreshes cached tokens that may be blocking login. Method 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies. When you reset your password, your browser may still hold old login data in its cache and cookies. This outdated information can conflict with your new credentials. Here is how to clear cache and cookies. Launch Chrome, then click on the three dots to open Settings. Select Delete Browsing Data. Expand Delete Browsing Data option. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then select Delete Data option. Restart Chrome browser. Method 6. Check Microsoft Service Status. Visit the Microsoft Service Status page. If Outlook, OneDrive or account services are down, the issue may not be your password at all. Waiting until services are restored can save you unnecessary troubleshooting. Method 7. Disable problematic browser extensions. Privacy blockers, password managers or script filters can interfere with Microsoft's login flow. Temporarily disable extensions in Chrome or Edge and retry sign in. Especially useful if login loops or blank pages appear. Here is how to disable extensions in Chrome. Open Chrome menu, then select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here you can remove or disable the browser extensions. Method 8. Check for multiple aliases or accounts. Microsoft accounts often have multiple aliases or email addresses. Confirm you are signing in with a proper account. If it's a work or school account, recovery may require your IT admin. So contact your admin and recover your account. Method 9. Wait for some time and try again. Microsoft's system may impose a temporary lockout after unusual activity. Stop all password attempts during this period. Retrying resets the timer. So, wait for some time, then try to sign in with your new password once. Method 10. Reset password again if needed. If issue persists, reset your password once more at account.live.com/password/reset. Follow the on-screen prompts, then choose a strong, unique password you haven't used before. Sign out all of the connected apps like Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, Xbox, and sign back in. Method 11. Submit the account recovery form. Visit support.microsoft.com and open the recovery form. Provide accurate details like old passwords, billing info, or recent contacts. Microsoft will manually review your request to confirm ownership. Method 12. Prevent future lockouts. To prevent future lockouts, keep recovery options from phone or email. Enable two-step verification for safer sign-ins. Avoid repeated password attempts when errors occur. Use trusted devices and networks whenever possible. And that's it. You now know how to fix the issue when you are unable to sign into your Microsoft account after resetting your password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Silicophilic for more easy-to-flow tech solutions. Still stuck or found another fix? Share your experience in the comments. It might help someone else. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.